Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about English learning and fast fluency. Have you ever felt stuck while learning English? You study practice, but progress feels very slow. You are not alone. Many people give up before they see real results. They think it is too difficult or they are not smart enough. But here is the truth. Learning English is not about talent. It is about focus, consistency, and the right methods. Even if you start today, you can make huge progress in just 90 days. Yes, 90 days. Imagine understanding movies, reading books, and speaking confidently. Imagine feeling proud of every word you say. This is not a dream. It is possible for you. It is possible because the brain can learn quickly. It is possible because small steps create big results. And I am going to show you how. You will learn the methods that help me speak English fast. You will discover how to stay motivated when it feels hard. You will understand why most learners fail and how to avoid the same mistakes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear path to fluency. So let us start this journey together. Let us take the first step towards speaking English confidently. And let us remember one thing. You are capable of more than you imagine. You can change your English, and you can change your life. Now let us move to the introduction. Hello, my name is your name, and I want to share my story with you. 90 days ago, I struggled with English every single day. I could not speak freely. I could not understand movies or songs. I felt frustrated and sometimes even hopeless. I doubted myself. I thought maybe I will never learn English. But then I realized something very important. It is not about learning everything at once. It is about learning smartly, step by step. I started focusing on methods that really work. I practiced consistently, even when I felt tired. I made small improvements every day. And slowly, I started seeing results. I started understanding more. I started speaking more confidently. In just 90 days, my English improved dramatically. I could read books, watch movies, and talk to new people. And the best part, it felt natural. I was no longer afraid to make mistakes. I was no longer frustrated by slow progress. This journey taught me that anyone can learn English fast. It taught me that consistency and smart practice matter more than talent. It taught me that small daily actions create big results. In this video, I will share the exact rules I followed. Rules that helped me speak English in just 90 days. These rules are simple, clear, and easy to follow. Even if you feel stuck or overwhelmed, even if you think you cannot improve, you can follow these rules and see real progress. So let us begin. Let us learn the first key method to fast English fluency. Rule 1. Focus on listening every day. Listening is the foundation of learning English. Many learners ignore it, but it is the most powerful step. When you listen, your brain starts to understand patterns naturally. It is like planting seeds for your speaking skills. Start with simple audio, like short stories or graded readers. Listen slowly at first, and do not worry about understanding everything. Important words will begin to stick in your mind. Imagine your brain as a sponge. Every day, it absorbs new sounds, new words, and new phrases. Even 10 minutes of listening is better than nothing. Do not skip this step, even if you feel busy. I remember when I started, I listened while walking, cooking, or even brushing my teeth. Small moments add up. The key phrase here is daily listening. It trains your ears and your brain together. It builds a strong foundation without stress or pressure. Now let us move to Rule 2. Rule 2, speak from day 1. Many learners wait too long to speak. They think they must be perfect first. This is a big mistake. Speaking is not about perfection. Speaking is about practice. Even if you know only a few words, use them. Say simple sentences every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, say, I am cooking rice. I am reading a book. This builds confidence and connects your brain to real English usage. Mistakes are normal. Do not fear them. Mistakes are a sign that your brain is learning. I used to be afraid to speak at first. I thought everyone would laugh. But when I started speaking daily, I improved very fast. Important words and key phrases become natural in your mouth. Remember, speaking is training your brain and your mouth together. Every word you say is a small victory. Do not wait. Start speaking today. Your confidence will grow faster than you think. Rule 3. Learn key phrases, not just words. Many learners focus only on single words. This is slow and frustrating. Words alone do not help you speak naturally. Key phrases are groups of words used together. For example, instead of learning only eat or food, learn I am eating lunch, or do you like this food? Phrases help you speak smoothly and confidently. Your brain remembers phrases faster than separate words. It is like building blocks for sentences. When you know phrases, you can use them in many situations. I started using phrases every day, repeating them aloud. I wrote them on sticky notes and placed them around my home. I spoke them while walking, cooking, or even waiting for the bus. This method boosted my confidence quickly. The important phrase here is key phrases. Focus on phrases, repeat them daily, and watch your English become natural. Do not worry about learning too much at once. Choose a few phrases and use them constantly. Your brain will connect them automatically to new words. Now let us move to Rule 4. Rule 4. Immerse yourself in English environment. Immersion is the fastest way to learn English. Your brain learns best when English surrounds you every day. Change your phone or computer language to English. Watch movies, listen to songs, and read simple stories in English. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Your brain will pick up patterns, grammar, and pronunciation naturally. I remember watching a movie without subtitles at first. It felt hard, and I understood only a few words. But after a few days, I started recognizing sentences. After a week, I could understand whole scenes. The key phrase is daily immersion. Small steps every day create big results. Even 10 minutes of reading or watching helps more than one long study session. Make English part of your life, not just your study time. Surround yourself with the language, and your fluency will grow faster than you imagine. Rule 5. Practice speaking with real people. Listening and repeating alone is not enough. You need real conversations to improve fast. Speaking with real people trains your brain to think in English. It also teaches you natural responses and confidence. Start with simple conversations. Talk to friends, teachers, or language partners online. Even short chats make a big difference. Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. I remember my first conversation. I could only say a few sentences. I was nervous and made many errors. But after practicing every day, I could talk for 15 minutes easily. The important phrase here is real conversations. Speaking with real people helps you apply what you learned. It connects listening, speaking, and phrases together naturally. Even a 5-minute chat every day makes your English much stronger. Do not avoid conversations because of fear. Fear is normal, but action creates results. Now let us move to Rule 6. Rule 6. Review and reflect daily. Learning English is not only about new words or phrases. It is about remembering and using them. Every day, spend a few minutes reviewing what you learned. Write down important words, key phrases, and sentences. Speak them aloud. Ask yourself questions like, can I use this phrase today? What did I learn yesterday that I can use now? Reflection helps your brain store information for the long term. I used to write a small notebook every day. I reviewed words and phrases before sleeping. After a few weeks, I noticed I remembered more and spoke more confidently. The key phrase here is daily review. It turns small learning steps into real fluency. Do not skip review, even if you feel tired. Consistency is more important than long hours. Small daily actions lead to big results over 90 days. Learning English fast is not magic. It is the result of daily effort, smart practice, and belief in yourself. Let us quickly review the 6 rules that can change your English. Rule 1. Focus on listening every day. Rule 2. Speak from day 1. Rule 3. Learn key phrases, not just words. Rule 4. Immerse yourself in English environment. Rule 5. Practice speaking with real people. Rule 6. Review and reflect daily. Each rule may seem simple alone, but together they create powerful progress. When you combine listening, speaking, phrases, immersion, conversation, and review, your English grows fast. You begin to understand more. You start speaking more confidently. You feel proud of every word you use. Remember, 90 days is enough to see real change. Do not let fear or frustration stop you. Even if you feel stuck now, you can improve every day. Small steps build big results. Consistency is your most powerful tool. Believe in your ability to learn quickly. Your journey may have challenges, but every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Stay motivated and keep practicing. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress, no matter how small it seems. Celebrate every success, even tiny victories. They show your brain that learning English is possible. Every day, your confidence grows. Every day, your fluency improves. You are capable of more than you imagine. And remember, learning English changes more than your language skills. It changes your mindset, your opportunities, and your life. If this video helped you, let us spread the message. Like this video. Subscribe for more lessons. Share it with someone who needs it. Leave a comment about your own English journey. Remember the 6 rules and apply them every day. Change is always possible. You can speak English fluently, even in just 90 days. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never give up. Your journey starts today, and your English future is in your hands.